Hi everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest marshmallow factories in the world. According to the National Confectioners Association, each year factories in the United States produce approximately 90 million pounds of marshmallows, equivalent to over 40.8 million kilograms. On average, each American consumes about 2.1 kilograms of marshmallows annually. Have you ever wondered how the soft and sweet marshmallows we love are made? Today, we'll explore the marshmallow production process in the US, from simple ingredients to the final delightful product we often see at campfires or in hot chocolate. Subscribe quickly to Captain Discovery to start an exciting journey of discovery. How long have marshmallows been around, and why are they called marshmallows? Marshmallows originate from a plant called mallow, which grows in marshy areas. Initially, ancient Egyptians used the root of this plant to make candy. However, the modern marshmallows we know today have evolved significantly over the centuries. In the 19th century, the French began making marshmallows from gelatin instead of plant roots, and since then, the candy has become popular and mass-produced. This method was later brought to the US, where it quickly developed further thanks to the growth of the candy industry. So, how is modern marshmallow production carried out? What are the main ingredients for making marshmallows? Marshmallows start with simple ingredients: water, sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, and a bit of flavoring and food coloring. You might not know, but there's even a National Toasted Marshmallow Day to honor this sweet treat. Can you guess what day it is? How are all the ingredients mixed? First, water, sugar, and corn syrup are heated in a large pot to create a smooth sugar mixture. This solution is cured until it reaches a temperature of about 240 degrees Fahrenheit, 115 degrees Celsius, which helps the mixture thicken and prepare for the next step. Then gelatin is dissolved in cold water and added to the hot sugar mixture, creating a thick and sticky solution. How's the mixture become light and fluffy? The gelatin and sugar mixture is then whipped at high speed in large industrial mixers. This process creates thousands of tiny air bubbles in the mixture, making it light and fluffy. At this point, flavorings like vanilla or other natural aromas and food coloring are added to achieve the desired flavor and color. When you step into a marshmallow factory, you immediately sense a space filled with the sweet aromas and vibrant colors. The smell of vanilla, strawberry, and other fruit flavors blend, creating an enchanting atmosphere as if you're entering a magical world of sweets. Rows of modern machinery work tirelessly, with workers carefully overseeing each stage to ensure every marshmallow is perfect in form and flavor. The combination of advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship leaves you amazed and delighted. How are marshmallows shaped? Once the mixture has reached the desired fluffiness, it is poured into molds and extruded through machines to create the desired shapes. Common forms include ropes or individual pieces. These molds are usually coated with a layer of cornstarch or powdered sugar to prevent sticking. The mixture is then cooled and solidified. What happens to the marshmallows after molding? After solidifying, the marshmallow blocks are removed from the molds and cut into small pieces, often square or small cylindrical shapes. The marshmallow pieces are coated with a layer of cornstarch and powdered sugar to prevent them from sticking together and to create a smooth outer layer. Marshmallows are left to dry for a certain period to achieve the desired moisture level. The final product is packaged in a sterile environment to ensure hygiene and extended shelf life. Here's an interesting fact. At the world's largest s'mores festival, over 10,000 marshmallows were toasted in one evening. To visualize 10,000 marshmallows, imagine lining them up end to end, with each marshmallow about 2 centimeters long. 10,000 marshmallows would form a line 200 meters long, the equivalent to 2 football fields placed end to end. What impact does marshmallow production have on the environment? Like many food production processes, marshmallow manufacturing has environmental impacts. The use of sugar and corn syrup in production can be linked to issues of unsustainable agricultural practices and high water usage. Manufacturers are currently seeking ways to minimize these impacts by using more sustainable ingredients and improving production processes to save energy and water. Thanks for exploring the marshmallow production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.